spring 2023. I am so excited for the upcoming releases that Bath & Body Works is doing. This is the first signature release, the Among the Clouds, and you could get this in any form that you want. Perfume, body care, home fragrance, it comes in everything. So whatever you choose, you could get it in. So yeah, I'm excited for this collection. Also, there's a number of new scents that's in the store. They got the new single wick luxury candles. I think that's what they are calling this collection. And only difference is that they're a little bit bigger, but the price point is way bigger. $17.95 for 8-ounce candle. So I'll wait for a nice single wick sale before I grab any of those. They got this beautiful day. Now, I used to buy this a lot back in the day, so I'm kind of surprised that they brought this scent back and is kind of pushing it like it's kind of new. I used to buy this all the time back in the day, so it's a pass for me. So excited for this cozy and fresh collection. I'm so excited for this. I remember last year when they came out with this whole line. I really didn't buy a whole lot until semi-annual, and I really fell in love with it last year. So this year I'm not gonna play around. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab some of the items that I really want. So yeah, I'm excited for this. I love these fresh, cozy or warm scents. I love it. So I'm excited for this. I love the packaging. They did right by this collection so far. Okay, y'all, I'm back out the store. I'm out the store. And I had to pick up my BOPUS order, which is this, and it's nothing but like 4 items. So yeah. First thing I got free with rewards is this. Y'all know I love these desk hand sanitizer holders, pocket back holders, or whatever they call. I love the desk version because they always make them look like little fake flowers. So I love them. So every time they come out with a new one, your girl is gonna buy it every time. So I wanted this. I love the fact that it's neutral colors. This rainbow, I love that. This is so nice. And it was like $15.95. Love it. So I grabbed that. The next thing I grabbed was another pocket back holder. Was the keychain pocket back holder. When I seen this, I'm like, oh, this is cute. So cute. It comes with a light. The little light. Y'all can see, which is probably, it ain't like no good light, and you don't actually have to hold it. It's just a click type of thing. Click it and it's on, and click it and it's off. You put your pocket back right here. Do I have one? Yes, I do. Put that on there. That's cute. This is almost empty. Comes with a whistle and a little bungee cord thing, which is nice. And then this is like that door opener. If you don't want to touch the door, just pull it with this little thing. I thought this was nice, and it's what? You know what? I thought this said $12.95 online. I thought it said $12.95, but of course in stores it's $14.95. I think I'm gonna check that, and I'll leave it on the screen if this price is correct or what. But yeah, I got those 2 items free with rewards. What do y'all think about this? Leave that down in the comments. Did y'all grab this keychain holder, pocket back holder? Love it. Or the pocket back desk hand sanitizer holder. So yeah, I was happy to grab those 2. So those are 2 things I grabbed free with the rewards. Because y'all know I was super excited for the golden honeycomb candle, and this was the $10 off sale. Yes, it's back for this weekend. I'm not buying. I'm gonna wait for a better sale, but because this stuff came with the 20% coupon, I decided to go ahead and get it, and they did come up to $13, which is, I really didn't want to pay $13 for this, but I did. So because I really wanted to try this candle, I am so happy I was able to grab it. Love it. Honey, vanilla, butterscotch. Yes. You most definitely get a lot of the butterscotch in this, because you got to think it's probably more butterscotch heavy because that's the dominant note. I think this is going to be amazing, y'all. Oh, I'm so happy I grabbed this one. The next candle I grabbed is Radiant Sky. Love the packaging. This bright colors just make me happy, even though I don't wear a lot of bright colors, but looking at bright colors actually makes me happy. So I love the fact that it's got this little rainbow effect. Okay, Sunshine Mango Lychee. And the reason why I really wanted this candle is because I absolutely love mango, and I love lychee. Not as much as I love mango, but lychee is so good. If you have never tried lychee, you should try it. If you have, leave that down in the comments. Let me know, what do you think about lychee? So yeah, I love mango, so anytime they come out with a mango candle, I'm most definitely going to try it. So that's the reason why I grabbed this one. Let's see what it smells like. Yeah, I most definitely smell that lychee in this. Oh, this is gonna be so nice. It smells sweet. I do get that lychee note. I do smell that mango note. Oh, this is gonna be good. Cannot wait to try this. Yes. So that was basically everything I got with the BOPIS order. And like I said, I was just going in there to pick up this stuff. So again, I did a little small walkthrough and I did buy some stuff. So we know semi-annual sale is now over and it goes into the winter sale, which is the extended version of semi-annual. But this is all the items that my store have. I'm not sure why that aromatherapy is not selling. It is so good, but I guess people just don't like it. But I really enjoy it, and I really think it works good with the coffee and whiskey scent. And they just had a few items. You know, I didn't really grab a whole lot, but the new aromatherapy collection, they do have that. I'm waiting for a sale. The new Valentine's candles, lovely. It is so nice. The lid is really heavy, but I really don't feel like this candle is worth $32.95. I really don't. And be careful when you pick this candle up, because of the lid is not like snug. You know, the lid most definitely comes off very easy. So make sure if you pick this candle up, be very careful. You might drop it. And again, this bubbly rosé is starting to come out every single season. When a new collection come out, trust, bubbly rosé will be included. It's starting to be the new version of strawberry pound cake. This new strawberry pound cake collection, I really like it. I think it is really nice. The packaging is very beautiful. But for me, it's a pass. You know, I don't buy strawberry pound cake anymore. I have a couple of candles in my collection, but I really don't buy it anymore. Here go that bag. Okay, the first thing I got free with rewards, because I have a number of rewards. I wanted to get the Indigo Dream, so I decided to go ahead and grab this one, and the notes is Bergamot, Amber, Musk. Yeah, I got it free with rewards. Happy to try that. It's actually really nice. It's actually nice. And this is the collection that just came out in the store, so I was happy to see that my store have it, because online is showing that it don't have it. Because when I did my BOPIS order, I most definitely would have put these in there for free with rewards. Yeah, most definitely that bergamot, a very fresh soft scent. Yeah, this is going to be really nice, really nice. So that was one thing I grabbed. And the next thing I grabbed was Sunbloom and Suede. This is the one that I was super excited about. I started to get the fresh coconut and cotton, but again, I already have that, and I really didn't want to spend no rewards on it because I think I have a couple, but I kind of want to get the new packaging. So this one is raspberry, pink petals, and vanilla cream. So yeah, I was excited for this one. I'm not even gonna lie. I love, dang, is it broke? I love the package. I love these neutral tones. So nice. So nice. Again, this is Bath and Body Works fresh clean collection. They do it every spring, so this is the newest collection. Remember last year they had like the fresh linen, they had the fresh coconut and cotton, they had fresh getaway or whatever it was called. They had all of those. So this is the new 2023 fresh and clean collection. Yeah, this is nice. This is nice. I'm not really a huge fan of like raspberries. It's nice. I really don't go for a lot of raspberry fragrance. So it's nice. It most definitely smells fresh. It's like a berry fresh. So if you like scents like that, you will love this. It's not bad. It's really, really nice. So I got those 2 free with rewards. So yeah, the next items I got that was on the 75% is this birch and eucalyptus. I wanted to try this. I really wanted to get the cologne, but they didn't have the cologne. And remember, the cologne stayed 50% for a long time. So I was surprised to see this. Somebody must have returned this. I don't know. But I end up getting it in the body wash, the body spray, and the lotion. So I was able to grab all 3 of these, the whole collection. Only thing I don't have is the men's cologne. The scent notes in this is birchwood and eucalyptus. So it's telling me it might be very, very earthy, very fresh. Let's see. Yes, most definitely get that eucalyptus. It's giving me freshness. This is actually nice. It's giving like a warm type of fresh with that eucalyptus note. Very much a masculine scent. I don't think that this could be unisex, but if you like more masculine scents, you probably could get away with it. I'm gonna spray a little bit on. Let's see. Let's see what it do. Yeah, I like it. I like it, but it's most definitely giving me herbal. Like that herbal type of scent. That eucalyptus is most definitely the first thing that I get. It's not bad. Will my husband like it? I don't know. So those are, the last thing I got, y'all. The last thing I decided to go ahead and grab, because I told y'all, if you don't go and grab this item, it's gonna be gone. So my store only had 1, so I decided to just go ahead and get it, even though I really didn't want to. But I decided to go ahead and buy the candle holder, the butterfly candle holder. As y'all do see, is just like glass that's intertwined. It looked like what it is one piece that's cut in the middle, and they just kind of put them together. Like I did say, it is giving me, it might fall over. So if you do grab this item, make sure you're very careful where you put it. Make sure it's not going to be knocked over. But I decided to go ahead and grab it. And again, it is $40. But I decided to go ahead and grab this before it's sold out, because this is an item that I really, really wanted. I didn't use any coupons or anything. I just went on and just paid the price, because everything else I got was free or super, super cheap. So this item, this whole order was like $50. This whole shopping haul was like $50. So yeah, I end up getting this because I don't want to miss out. This is something that I like. So yeah, so if you are looking for this, it is in the store now. It is pretty, it's nice. It's not a must-have item if you're into candle holders, if you love butterflies. I think this is a really, really nice item to pick up. It is slightly heavy, and I think that's just because it's made with glass. As far as, is it made good? I don't know. I have to use it. Mine got a little flaw in it. As y'all do see, like right there, it has like a air bubble. But it is what it is. She told me that they sold out of the first batch and they got some more, and this was the last one in that last batch of inventory that they got. So she said that they might get more she don't know. But I decided to just go ahead and grab it because this is an item that you can use coupons on. It never goes on sale. So if you see it, just go ahead and buy it, whether you got a coupon or not. If it's something you want, just go ahead and get it. So yeah, that's everything that I got. That's everything that I bought. That's everything that I got on this shopping trip. Again, I got some free items. I only spent $50. I had my BOPUS order, which only cost me like $29, I think. So yeah, and that's it. I'm done until they have another sale, a candle sale, like a $12.95 candle sale. You know, other than that, I won't be shopping. I did a slight little walkthrough showing all the new products, so that stuff will be in the store for a while. And we're just gonna sit and wait on the sale. So yeah, that's everything. So let me know in the comments, have you been shopping? Have you been shopping the winter sale? Have you got your hands on any of these new candles? What do you think about the butterfly candle holder? Leave that down in the comments. Subscribe, of course. Leave comments, of course. A thumbs up the video, of course. Follow me on all of my social media platforms. Use or follow my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. All that stuff really do help. On Instagram, of course. Also hit the notification bell so you can be notified when your girl posts a video. You will be notified. And I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.